Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can buy a Smart Prepaid eSIM with Gcash. So here is a simple guide on how you can get your digital SIM online. So first is to buy from a smart online store. So go to a smart online store and add a prepaid eSIM to your card and proceed to checkout. So you will need to provide and verify an email address with your eSIM QR code, and it will be sent there. Next is to pay with Gcash. So at checkout, you have to select Gcash as your payment method. So you can take a screenshot of the QR code provided and open your Gcash application and use the upload QR code feature. So you can select the screenshot to complete the payment. And next is to receive and activate eSIM. So after a successful payment, you can check your email for the message from the smart containing your eSIM's QR code. So scan this code in your phone's cellular settings to install and activate your new smart eSIM. So once activated, your eSIM has a phone number, so you can now load it with promos directly from the Gcash application, regular load section, just like a physical SIM. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!